Phone dead. Laptop died. You're stuck. We've all been there. But what if you never had to worry about that dreaded low battery warning again? I tested 6 portable power gadgets so you don't get stuck without juice. These are the tools that will keep you running, no matter where you are. First up, the compact power bank. This little lifesaver is small enough to slip into your pocket, right next to your wallet. I plugged in a phone at 10%, and boom, it jumped to 60% in no time. For a device this small, that's impressive. You get about a full phone top-up from a 10,000 milliamp hour model like this one. Just make sure to look for features like power delivery or quick charge for the fastest speeds. Its LED indicator lets you know exactly how much power you have left. It's the perfect pocketable backup. Next, my absolute top pick for travelers and anyone tired of clutter, the USB-C multi-port charger. This one brick replaces all your other chargers. I plugged in my laptop, my phone, and a tablet, and all of them started charging simultaneously. No more fighting for outlets. The best part? The plug folds right in, making it incredibly compact and easy to pack. When choosing one, pay attention to the total wattage and how it's distributed across the ports to make sure it can handle your most power-hungry devices. It's a game changer for simplifying your setup. Feeling the heat? Say hello to the portable battery-powered fan. Whether you're stuck on a stuffy train or your desk feels like a sauna, this gadget provides instant relief. It has different speed settings, from a gentle breeze to a powerful gust. It's surprisingly quiet, even on its highest setting, and the battery lasts for hours. I love that it has a clip, so you can easily attach it to your bag or shelf. It's a simple, effective way to clip, cool, and repeat. Let's talk about light. A rechargeable flashlight is a must-have for any emergency kit or late-night walk. Forget scrambling for disposable batteries. This one charges with a standard USB-C cable, so you can even power it up from your power bank. It's incredibly bright, with options to switch between a wide floodlight and a focused, long-distance beam. It also has strobe and low-power modes for different situations. This is reliable light you can count on anytime. For those chilly days, a rechargeable hand warmer is a small luxury that makes a huge difference. This gadget heats up in seconds, providing consistent warmth that fits right in your pocket. I tested it, and it maintains a cozy, safe temperature for hours. It's perfect for cold commutes, outdoor events, or just keeping your hands toasty. Plus, like the flashlight, it recharges via USB-C. Just be sure to look for one with proper safety certifications to prevent overheating. Last but not least, the wireless charging pad with a built-in battery. This combines the convenience of wireless charging with the freedom of portability. At home, you can use it as a standard charging pad. But when you need to leave, just unplug it from the wall, and its internal battery will keep charging your phone completely cable-free. The key is making sure your phone's charging coil aligns with the pads. But once you get the hang of it, it's effortless. So let's do a rapid recap. For a pocket backup, you have the power bank. For one brick to rule them all, the multi-port charger. For instant airflow, the portable fan. For reliable light, the rechargeable flashlight. For warmth on demand, the hand warmer. And for cable-free charging anywhere, the wireless pad. Now, what about cost? Most of these gadgets are surprisingly affordable. The best return on your investment really depends on what you need most. For me, the clear winner and my top pick is the USB-C multi-port charger. It solves the biggest headache for anyone who travels or juggles multiple devices daily. Here are a few practical tips to get the most out of your gear. First, pack only the gadget that solves your biggest pain point. You don't need all of them. Second, keep your cables tidy with a simple organizer. And third, always pre-charge everything before you head out the door. It sounds obvious, but it's easy to forget. Don't just take my word for it. We heard from users who said a simple power bank completely saved their trip when they were lost with a dead phone. Little gadgets like these can be true lifesavers. A quick word on safety. Always follow the rules. Check your airline's limits on battery capacity before you fly. Never leave devices charging on soft surfaces like a bed where they can overheat. And always ensure proper ventilation. Safety first. So the final verdict? For most people, the USB-C multi-port charger is the most versatile and valuable gadget to add to your travel bag. It simplifies packing and keeps you powered up. Now I want to hear from you. Which battery gadget should I test next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.